How to talk to parents when they are angry. Parents are the most precious, sincere, and caring relationship in a person's life. They make countless sacrifices for our upbringing, education, and better future. Therefore, respecting them is not only a moral obligation but also a religious and social responsibility. Sometimes, due to misunderstandings, stress, tiredness, or other problems, parents may become angry. In such situations, the behavior of children becomes very important because harsh words or arguments can worsen the situation at home. The first and most important thing is to remain calm and patient when parents are angry. Instead of arguing or responding immediately, it is better to listen carefully and respectfully. Even if you disagree, avoid reacting quickly and wait for the right moment. This helps reduce anger and shows respect for their feelings. The second important aspect is your tone and choice of words. A soft, gentle, and respectful tone can melt even the hardest hearts. If parents are speaking harshly, respond politely by saying things like, "You are right, I understand what you mean. I am sorry if I made a mistake." Third, you should show maturity and wisdom. Sometimes parents may misunderstand or speak harshly, but controlling your emotions is a sign of good character and strong upbringing. When they are calm, you may politely explain your point of view. Another good practice is to continue kindness and care, even after the situation has cooled down. Offering water, checking on them, or simply smiling can restore peace and love in the home. In the end, remember that parents are a blessing and a shelter in our lives. Treating them with respect and love is not only a duty, but also a key to success, peace, and blessings. Their anger is temporary, but their hearts are full of love. All they need is the right words, the right attitude, and good manners.